Are you losing money on taxes or risking fines because your Hostinger store isn't set up right? Here is exactly how to add tax rules in minutes. We will go from your store dashboard, through settings, to creating a tax rule with country, name, and rate. Let us start. So start from your Hostinger dashboard. You should see your website project listed here. Go ahead and click into the builder for your store. Once the builder loads, look for the store option in the main menu on the left. Click on that and it will open up your store management area. Now from here, find the settings option. It is usually at the bottom of the menu or in the top right area of the store panel. Click on Settings. Inside the settings, you will see a list of options. Look for taxes. Go ahead and click on that. You will now see your current tax rules. There probably is not any yet, so click on the button that says Add Tax Rules. Now you will see the tax rule form. The first thing we need to do is tell Hostinger which country this rule applies to. Click on the field that says Add at least one country to manage tax. You need to select a country first. So, type in the name of the country you want to tax. For example, if you sell to customers in the United States, just start typing United States. The list will narrow down as you type. Then, click on Save to add that country to the rule. Now set the tax name. Click on the Name field. This name is what your customers will see on their checkout page, on their emails, and on their invoices. So, make it clear. Something like sales tax or VAT. Select the country you just added by clicking on its name in the list. Now enter a name for your tax rule in the Name field. Again, keep it descriptive so you know what it is for later. Click on the Save button to save that tax name. Now read the note about tax display. Hostinger explains that the same tax rate will apply to all product types and shipping options. They suggest consulting with a tax expert if you are unsure. That is good advice. Now set the tax rate. Click on the first highlight area to start setting the percentage. Next, you will see the Rate field. This is where you enter the percentage, like 8% or 20%. Decide if shipping should be taxed. There is a toggle that says Apply Taxes to Shipping Cost. Turn it on if you need to apply your tax rate to the shipping fee as well. In many places, shipping is taxable. Enter the tax percentage in the Rate field. Make sure you are putting the number in as a percentage, not a decimal. So for 8%, just type 8. Now, Final Save to apply the rule. Click the Final Save button. Your tax rule is now active. Check that your rule is listed. You should see it appear in the tax rules list with the country, name, and rate you set. If you see it, you are good. Repeat for other countries if needed. If you sell to multiple countries, just click Add Tax Rules again and follow the same process for each one. And that is it. You are now confidently managing tax rules that automatically apply the correct rates at checkout. No more guessing and no more worrying about fines. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials. Thanks for watching.